Ka Mekhalaya Shen kan sayo ya ka life ar Klur ka veterinary ban sumare kijinri babun jaj. Ka Shillong kumbalong menta ka don ka veterinary hospital ka barit hanong ba Shillong ka ba sumare bunjaj kijinri ka ba don langru bat ka OPD. Ya ka nela tu da menteri ketenat animal husbandry bat veterinary uba el hek da ka baong ba ka ne ka veterinary hospital batamai kan de ha apol Shillong.
Under very fast processing for the veterinary hospital of Shillong, Meghalaya. So now it is there to already clear I think the state level Empower Committee, SLEC Empower Committee, and the scheme will be proposed from the PM Divine. Once all the formality is completed from the state government, from the planning, and we are going to pursue with the PM Divine Prime Minister Office to get the sanction through for the phase 1, that is for the 32 CR. It's not an issue at all. We have our own landline of the veterinary department there at 7 mile of Shillong. So land is not an issue at all.